Hi, I'm Olivia, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past weekend. SJIES. Yumi, start the clock.
Thanks, Olivia. Monday, a stunningly sunny Singapore morning, greeted students and staff coming back into school for another action-packed week ahead. Our focus this week, PE, and the virtue of this week, kindness. Tuesday, prep and grade 1s could be found running and jumping joyfully, learning more about basic movement and having fun in gymnastics. Wednesday, inside, students continued their Invasion Games unit with determination, playing games such as Quidditch and Dodgeball. Thursday, students could be again found in the pool, as our swimming unit focused on water safety continued. Friday, everyone ended their week with assemblies for their respective grades and packed their bags before heading home for a short Chinese New Year break. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Yumi, 新年快乐, and we'll see you again next time.